Retirement communities offer a unique blend of benefits that cater to the evolving needs of seniors, ensuring a fulfilling and worry-free lifestyle. Retirement communities offer living options from independent to assisted, with comprehensive security and maintenance for a safe, hassle-free life. Health and wellness programs address physical, mental, and emotional needs. Art classes, fitness classes, and social events enhance community spirit and social engagement. Cultural and educational activities promote continuous learning and growth. Living in a retirement community can be a cost-effective option, especially when you consider the comprehensive nature of the services and facilities provided. Retirement communities redefine senior living, offering a blend of comfort, convenience, and community that can significantly enrich your golden years. For more information about Medicare, please speak with a Senior Healthcare Solutions Medicare expert today at 866-633-4427. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Medicare videos.